Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the zoom level, like 100% or 50% or 150% of your page zoom level on your Microsoft Edge on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the page zoom level on your Microsoft Edge browser is just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the three dot option setting. First, I just going to search something here. I just going to search as a Google. We just going to search as Google. So now I just going to open a setting first. Go to the three dots, click on setting option. Here you just need to click on the appearance option and just scroll down, and you can find an option called zoom and page zoom. So here you can control your page zoom level. It's actually on 100%. You can just switch to 150%. So it's just going to show so you can see everything, your web search and also the setting, and everything has been a zoom. So just going to change this to smaller, like a 50%, which is so small. I just going to show how it's look like. So this is so useful if you are just making a full screenshot of a page or whatever you just uses. So this is how we just change the percentage, display percentage or zoom percentage or page zoom percentage on your Microsoft Edge browser. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.